Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you 5 useful tricks for the PS5 controller. If you just got a PlayStation 5, there's a good chance you didn't know your controller could do these things. So, stick around, hit the like button, and let's get started. Trick number 1: Quick Menu Navigation. Want to navigate the PS5 menu faster? Here's a cool trick. Instead of using the D-pad to scroll to your settings, just press the triangle button on the main menu. Boom, you're there instantly. Trick number 2: Easy Game Help. This next trick is one that many people forget about. If you ever get stuck in a game, you can get a hint without searching online. Just double tap the PS button, and you'll see the Game Help menu. It'll show you hints on what to do next. And no, this isn't cheating. It's an actual PS5 feature. Trick number 3: Mute everything instantly. Ever wish you could mute everything at once? Here's how. Just press and hold the microphone mute button for a few seconds. This will mute your TV speakers, your controller speaker, and even the haptic feedback. Press the button again, and everything goes back to normal. Super easy. Trick number 4: 3D audio without an expensive headset. Did you know you can enable 3D audio using just your controller and basic earbuds? Just plug your earbuds into the controller. Then, go to Audio Settings and make sure 3D audio is turned on. You can even adjust it to your preference. And if you like listening with just one earbud, turn on mono audio for headphones. That way, the same sound plays in both the left and right earbuds at the same time. Trick number 5: Customize the light bar. This last trick is more fun than useful. If you plug your PS5 controller into a PC, you can use a program called DS for Windows. It lets you customize the DualSense light bar. Select the rainbow option, and you'll be surprised at how many cool colors your controller can display. Final thoughts, and there you have it. 5 awesome PS5 controller tricks you probably didn't know. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.